Bitch! Hi everyone! Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I feel like I'm in a very Halloween mood. I'm just not like that special effects girl. Okay. Do I just swallow it? To 2 hours or more to take effect. 2 hours? I'm trying to be high everyone now. I wanted to do a little Halloween moment because I live for Halloween. I feel like Halloween is probably one of my favorite holidays. It just means fall is here and I love fall. I love fall. I'm probably not the best special effects person simply because it's not something I've fully studied, and I feel like there is just, you know, there's other YouTubers that I watch for those incredible Halloween transformations, for a very Gabriel Zamora video. One, hi everyone. She must be hi everyone. I feel like last year, that's like the only reason why I liked my videos last year was because she was like, hi everyone. I'm having a really rough time, you guys. Who the f is on my camera right now? So the candy you saw me eating earlier were these like little taffies, and now I'm gonna eat some cookies. Okay. I'm gonna eat some cookies. So I wanted to film something that I could film today. So I scoured the internet and I searched high and low. What if I became Mystique from X-Men, right? Because look, I already have the red hair. I'm not sure how much hi everyone I'm gonna like eat, but this so far would put me at 40. If you don't know what I mean, you don't gotta know. Well, only one more. I don't want, like, you know, I'm trying to be crazy. So this is now 50. I'm not trying to take no like 3 hours to film 8:45 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna wash it off anyways. What am I gonna do? Walk down Hollywood Boulevard as Mystique? No. Is there food in my teeth? I'm not doing like the texture. I'm basically just gonna try to become Mystique with what's in my beauty room. She's gonna be very hi everyone, and she's gonna become Mystique everyone. So I'm gonna get some of the products, and then I'll be back in like 45 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
I feel like she's yelling, oh my God.
2 hours later.
Hi everyone. Basic summary of the synopsis of the situation of the eventation. She is in full effect. Bitch, at one point, like, I got really lost. Like, I just got lost. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I was watching, I don't even know what I was watching. What was I watching? Whoa, I really don't remember. I wonder if it'll come to me. Everyone, she slipped into something more comfortable for you. Is my titty out? No, it's not. Okay. Quick little just story. Like, I've been so busy. I dropped every guy. Oh my God, this is gonna be a chemotherapy session before we even get into the makeup tutorial, isn't it? Like, oh my God, I just haven't talked to you in like a really long time. I just fucking miss you. I did create like a little mood board because, let me get my computer. Oh my God, my pink titties, dude. Oh my God, look, I bought a new laptop. Everyone. Last season on Gabriel Zamora's YouTube channel, we did affordable things you could get at Target, right? And I feel like I gotta show off, cause like, you know, this is what I do, bro. Fuck, dude, this is what I do. I should push my hair back. The only reason why I thought of Mystique was because I have red hair. So, and I had to also touch it up. I know, that's why it looks like this. Like, there's no need to be rude. I'm willingly acknowledging that I look like a mess. Okay, so here we have our little gloves. Right? Should I do the hair first? I look like a murderer! Oh my God. I don't know how long this is supposed to stay on. Like, I'm already starting to look like Mystique, right? Like, it's kind of dark. Oh my God. It's literally me. She doesn't even have eyebrows. That is so shady. Rebecca Romaine in the original X-Men as Mystique did not have eyebrows. And I was not aware that Jennifer Lawrence as the new Mystique has eyebrows. Nobody told me this. I gotta draw red eyebrows on? That's gonna be interesting. Oh, why didn't you tell me I had some on my forehead? So we're gonna become blue, everyone. And basically what I got was, I have this Makeup Forever 12 flash color case thingy. I think it's starting to like kick in. But also kick in that I'm really gonna become blue, dude. This is gonna be a journey. And I'm just like so happy we're in this together. Oh my God, is my ear gonna be blue? Bitch, I'm gonna look like a Smurf. Oh my God, am I gonna look like a Smurf? Don't say that. Oh my God, I need to take off my Latina necklace. Oh my God. I'm getting separation anxiety. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on right now. Painting myself blue. Painting myself blue. I said I'm painting myself blue. Oh, these titties are not for you though. Oh my God. What is going on? On Tuesday, do you remember this past Tuesday? October 8th at midnight. This is what I was doing. You hoes could never. This is so fucking weird, dude. Oh my God. Watch me break out after this. Oh, I would be so sad. Oh my God. Like, I'm super concentrated. Hi, everyone. Cause I'm like wanting this to actually look good. I was meant to be Mystique. Ooh, yeah. At this point, you cannot tell me this is not a look, but I still wanna like low-key put on a lash. Is that too much? I feel like you could really make it into a look. You know what I mean? Do you wanna know what brushes I'm using? Okay, Beauty Guru mode, right? So I'm currently using my ColourPop F5 brush. And then this one is a ColourPop E3 brush to apply these kind of like little black markings. Like, I don't hate it. And that's why I low-key live. It's currently 1 a.m. and I got lost in painting my shoulders, so. I low-key like, oh, I hate how like much I live for it. Okay, so I ended up living for it. And I got lost in Rick and Morty. I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I don't know, does it need a lash? I don't feel like it needs a lash. I don't know, at this point, I'm tired. This was supposed to be a little quick video and it took so long. I hope you're having an amazing October, everyone. Also, can you leave your favorite Halloween movie recommendation or recommendations down below, because I feel like all of October, like every day I want to watch a Halloween movie. Ugh. Okay, everyone, I'm going to sleep, everyone. I love you, everyone. Bye, everyone.